Snow, rain, slush, salts, grime and freezing temperatures. You wouldn't be outdoors in the winter without protecting yourself, so why not the same for your car? We put together 5 essential tips to help you protect and maintain your car this winter. Tip number 1, use a pre-wash. A pre-wash will drive into all the harmful winter elements that are sitting on your paintwork, without breaking down any waxes or sealants. It's important you remove all the harmful elements to keep your paint from getting damaged. For this, we recommend Valet Pro Citrus Pre-Wash. It's both safe and highly effective. Tip number 2. Now you've removed all the harmful elements, you need to ensure you have a layer of protection on your paintwork. We have 2 products to recommend for winter paint protection. Firstly, for easy application and use, Gion's Wet Coat. This can be applied to wet cars with any level of existing protection. Simply spray and rinse for protection and amazing hydrophobicity. For a more longer lasting protection, Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Liquid Wax. This can see you through the whole of winter. It applies like a traditional liquid wax and is simple to use. Tip number 3, cleaning and protecting your wheels. Wheels are the most exposed area of your car, with direct road contact and lots of gaps and holes for dirt to sit. So it's important they are properly cleaned and protected. For cleaning, we recommend Built Amber Auto Wheel. It is a safe but highly effective wheel cleaner that changes colour as it removes all the harmful winter elements from your wheels. To protect your wheels, Gion Q2 Rim will set as a coat with extreme durability, making your future wheel cleaning routine much easier and quicker. Tip number 4, repel rain from your windows. When you can't see properly, you can't enjoy the road. Angel Wax H2 Go Ultimate Rain Repellent creates a hydrophobic coating on glass, so even in the wettest British weather, your windows stay water-free. Tip number 5, and it's the final one, use a car dryer. It's the safest way to dry your car, and it will keep your hands nice and warm in the winter. We've got a wide selection of car dryers to choose from, but to make things easier for you, we put together all the products featured in this video on a single link that's in the description. So click the link to get your car winter ready.